Are you constantly finding yourself distracted by new and exciting opportunities? Do you have a tendency to jump from one venture to another without seeing the first one through to the end? If you're nodding along, you might be dealing with something called shiny object syndrome, and you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world filled with endless possibilities, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of the latest and greatest thing. But this constant chasing of shiny objects can be detrimental to your personal and professional growth. So how can you break free from this cycle and stay focused on what truly matters? We will be discussing the 5 best ways to overcome shiny object syndrome. Before we dive into that, let's take some time to understand what shiny object syndrome is. Also known as SOS, shiny object syndrome is a term used to describe the human tendency to constantly chase new and exciting opportunities while neglecting or abandoning the ones that are already in progress. People who suffer from SOS find it difficult to commit to a single task or project, and instead are easily distracted by the latest trend or the next big thing. This syndrome can manifest itself in various aspects of your life, such as your career, relationships, and personal projects. Imagine this. You've just started a new diet and exercise plan to get in shape. You're excited at first and you stick to it for a few days. But then you start seeing results and feeling healthier. Before you know it, you're feeling great. Then something new catches your eye. A trendy new diet or a different workout program. You abandon your current plan and jump into the new one, thinking it'll give you even better results. But this cycle continues over and over again. You never give one plan a chance to work, and you end up with nothing to show for all your efforts. This is a classic example of shiny object syndrome. Now that you have an understanding of what shiny object syndrome is, let's move on to the 5 proven tips that will help you overcome it. Number 1, set clear goals. The first step to overcoming shiny object syndrome is to set clear goals. When you don't have a specific goal in mind, you're more likely to get sidetracked by distractions and lose focus. Take the time to really think about what you want to achieve and write it down. Having a clear goal will give you something to work towards and help you stay on track. Number 2, limit your distractions. One of the biggest contributors to shiny object syndrome is distractions. We live in a world where there are distractions everywhere. Social media, email, and messaging apps are constantly vying for our attention, and it's easy to get pulled in a million different directions. To combat this, you need to limit your distractions and create a focused environment for yourself. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs and apps, and make a conscious effort to resist the urge to check your phone or social media every few minutes. Number 3, practice discipline. Another important step to take is to practice discipline. This is easier said than done, but it's crucial when it comes to overcoming shiny object syndrome. When you feel the urge to jump ship on a project, take a step back and assess the situation. Ask yourself why you want to quit and if it's really necessary. Chances are you'll realize that the grass is greener on the other side, and that you'd be better off sticking with your original project. Remember, quitting is never the answer, unless it's to get rid of those bad habits that are holding you back. Number 4, prioritize depth over breadth. In today's world, there's a lot of pressure to be well-rounded and good at everything. However, this can lead to shallow knowledge and a lack of focus. Instead, prioritize depth over breadth. Choose a few areas to focus on and become truly great at them rather than spreading yourself too thin. This will not only help you overcome shiny object syndrome, but it will also make you an expert in your chosen field. Number 5, schedule exploration time. While it's important to prioritize your main goals, it's also important to make time for exploration. This is the time to try out new things and explore your interests without the pressure of making it a long-term commitment. Set aside specific times in your day or week for exploration, so that you don't feel the need to derail your priority projects. This will help you satisfy your curiosity and prevent you from getting bored and losing interest in your current projects. Shiny object syndrome is a common problem that can affect anyone. It can lead to a lack of focus, unfinished projects, and missed opportunities. By understanding the causes of SOS and implementing the 5 tips discussed in this article, you can overcome this syndrome and achieve your goals. Remember, staying focused is crucial for success. By eliminating distractions, setting clear goals, and practicing discipline, you can train your brain to stay on track and resist the urge to chase every shiny object that catches your eye. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.